They look really, really good, y'all. Like, wow. The final test will be when it dries, but this right here, I'm feeling it. Hey guys, it's Deondra. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are a new visitor, then thanks so much for clicking on this video and make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Alright, so I am finally trying all of these Uncle Funky's Daughter products. It's been a long time coming, y'all, but we're about to try them. I've actually already washed and deep conditioned my hair. I washed my hair with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. I had to think about the name. And I deep conditioned with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. Looks like this. And I actually recorded that entire process in another video about just how I deep condition, and I showed the process. So that video will be up soon after this one. Alright, so for the rest of these products, we're going to be doing a wash and go because for one thing, I love wash and goes, and for two, I just feel like when I'm trying a new product, I like to try new products on a wash and go. Let's just be real, like wash and goes don't lie. Like if your wash and go is popping, that means the products were popping, because we all know that your wash and go can come out looking a hot mess. Alright, so my hair is soaking wet. I literally just got out of the shower. My hair is wet, like dripping on me wet. I usually do my wash and goes on damp hair, but I watched a bunch of videos using these products, and everyone said that this Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, which is like the gel that comes with these products, they said that it works best on wet hair. So I'm going to trust those that came before me, and we're gonna try this on wet hair. It might not come out right, I'm just saying, because my hair is very low porosity, it's thick, it takes forever to dry, and it just doesn't really like to be styled when it's wet. But we're gonna see, we're gonna try. Alright, so I'm not gonna go through all of the products because I already did that in my unboxing video. So you can always check that out if you want to actually see like every single product and like what they do, I guess. In that video, I showed y'all this little paper, and it came with the kit that they sent me. And it actually tells you on the back of it like the 4 different steps that they recommend that you use for your style. So I'm probably gonna follow this. It says step 1, Midnite Train leave-in conditioner. Step 2, Supercurl or extra butter. Step 3, Curly Magic, which is the gel. And then step 4 is the Thirsty Curls leave-in curl revitalizer, and you use that like the next day to refresh your curls. So the only thing would be whether or not I want to do the Supercurl or the extra butter. And I'm probably going to just stick to the Supercurl because I feel like extra butter is probably thick and it would probably be better for like a twist out. So maybe I'll use that for like a twist out or something. Alright, so I'm just going to put this t-shirt around my shoulders because like I said, my hair is dripping. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like without any product. So we are starting with the Midnite Train leave-in conditioner. It says it's for natural, chemically treated, or heat-styled hair. Alright, and it's in like a little spray. I'm just going to spray this on this section. This stuff smells really good, y'all. It's like sweet. that stuff smells so good, y'all. It smells like literally candy. It smells so good. Alright, so next we are going to use the Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream. It says with almond oil, shea butter, and vitamin A for kinky and curly textures. This stuff pretty much smells the same way. Really like nice and sweet. This is what it looks like. It's pretty liquidy. It's not like thick. It's a pretty liquidy cream. I would say that it's similar to the Shea Moisture Hair Milk, which is what I figured. It's a little bit thicker than the hair milk, but not as thick as the Shea Moisture Smoothie if you've tried that. Alright, so I'm just gonna apply this to the entire section. It's about that much for now. We'll see if I need more. So yeah, it's pretty liquidy. Add some more. This is pretty nice. Seems like it has some nice slip to it, which is good because my hair is definitely tangled. I deep conditioned my hair like 2 days ago and I rinsed it out and I literally left it in a ponytail for like 2 days because I just was not in the mood to style it. Like, I'm sure y'all have probably had those days. Like, I'm lightly running my fingers through. It seems like it's pretty good. So this is what my hair looks like with just this in it. And you can see my curls are already starting to form, which is actually really nice. If you have a looser pattern, you could probably get away with using this without a gel. But not I, girl. My hair will be a poofy mess. As you can see, I'm being pretty heavy-handed with this because this is the moisture part of this hairstyle, and you definitely want to make sure that your hair is very moisturized up under whatever styler or gel that you choose. Actually pleasantly surprised by how much definition I got with that curl. With that Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream. It gave me a little bit of definition. Like, that was nice. But now we are moving on to the star of the show, the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. This is what I hear really great things about. This is like the gel part of their line. I am an eco styler and every now and then wet line gel girl. So I'm very serious about my gels. I need my gel to hold. I need my gel to give me definition so that my wash and go can last for the entire week. I'm in med school and I don't have time to be doing my hair every single week. So that's very, very important. Alright, we're gonna see. I have high hopes. Alright, so I'm going to work in small to medium sections for this. Because I want to make sure we get the most definition that we can get. Alright, so this is a pump. So I'm gonna, they said a little bit goes a long way in the videos I saw, so we're gonna try a little. I'm usually heavy-handed, so we're gonna see. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can even really see this, but it's like a jelly. This smells really good too. It's also like a sweet minty mixture. Alright, so yeah, this gel is like watery, like has a whole lot of slip though. But it's definitely a completely different feel from the Wet Line and from the Eco Styler. It has like no tack to it. And usually I need heavier gels to like lay my hair down. So we're gonna see. Feels really, really good on my hair though. Like, wow, feels amazing. Alright, I think I need to add another pump. I can see the curls coming through, but we're gonna add a little bit more. Get those curls all the way popping. Okay, this is not looking bad. I'm definitely probably putting way too much, to be honest with you. But I'm just nervous because I want it to last. I'm keeping my spray bottle handy since they did say your hair needs to be really wet. So, more water. Alright, so the first section is done. This is what my curls look like. They look really, really good, y'all. Like, wow. The final test will be when it dries, but this right here, I'm feeling it. I also love how much slip it has because, like I said, my hair was pretty tangly and I had no problem like finger detangling as I was applying this and raking my fingers through. It was like butter. So one half of my head is done. This is what it's looking like. Looks pretty good. So this is what my hair looks like. I went over the top of my hair with a little bit more gel just because I felt like it was going to be way too poofy. So I just literally smoothed it on top. So I wasn't sure if I really got my roots that well. But other than that, I am done. So it looks really pretty right now. We're gonna see what it dries like. So I will be back whenever it is fully dry. I don't know how long that's gonna take. Might take all night, but we gonna see. Alright guys, so it's been about 4.5 hours and my hair is about 85 to 90% dry. Basically, just my roots are still a little damp, which is expected because my hair was super wet, but it's actually drying a lot faster than I thought. Like, I thought it wasn't going to be dry until tomorrow, but it's definitely drying pretty quickly considering. So overall, it looks really, really cute. Like, the first thing that I noticed was that it's a lot longer than my wash and goes usually are. Like, I get a lot of shrinkage, and this is like hanging a little bit. It looks almost like a twist out. And I forgot to tell y'all that this does say tames frizz while defining, elongating, and nourishing curls. So it definitely does elongate. And so I'm excited because tonight, you know, I'm gonna put my hair in my 4 ponytails to sleep, and that's gonna stretch it out. This isn't even stretched out hair yet. So I'm probably gonna have like some nice length with this. So that's exciting. So this is what it looks like. I think it just looks so good. Let me show y'all the back. Right, so I will be back tomorrow or the day after that, something like that, just to show y'all how this style lasts. I'm hoping that I can get a few days out of it, so we are gonna see, but I will be back later. Alright y'all, so this is the next day. I slept with my hair in my 4 ponytails like I always do for my wash and goes. And y'all, I can just look at these curls and tell this wash and go is popping. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see my hair right now? Like, I have so much definition and movement. I'm really in love with this. My hair looks so good. I'm just gonna show y'all up close. I'm shocked. Like, I didn't think it was gonna look like this, to be honest. But it looks really, really good. And I have so much volume for it to be basically like day 2 hair. Alright y'all, so it also came with the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. It says spray onto wet or dry curls to moisturize and define, excellent for day after curly magic curl stimulator use. So we're gonna use this. I don't even think my hair needs it, but I told y'all I was gonna try all the products, so we're gonna see. This smells like the rest of the line, by the way. It smells really good. So it kind of like wets your hair a little bit, which I guess allows you to kind of re-stimulate the products that you already have in there. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, I don't really think I needed it today. But it probably would come in handy for like tomorrow or the next day. So overall, I am super, super, super happy with the way my hair looks. I absolutely love these products. If you guys have not tried Uncle Funky's Daughter, you need to try them because they are bomb. And I also want to let you guys know that these products are sold in Target, so you can go to your local Target and pick up these products. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these products, and let me know which your favorite one was. Let me know how you feel about this wash and go, girl. I think it looks great, but I want to hear what you guys have to say. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.